In this video, you'll discover how a female robot is built, from raw materials inside factories to real people buying it in the market.
Initializing primary functions. Systems nominal.
Wow, look at that one.
Incredible. The detail is amazing.
And as you can see, the T800 series offers unparalleled efficiency and seamless integration into your daily operations.
And where is the fun?
Hello, how may I assist you today?
Initialization complete. I am ready to help.
Look, he's coming out.
Wow. Wow.
Can you remind me about my schedule tomorrow?
What fight with Jexu?
I understand how you feel.
related incident and question by fed up to month question. And enjoy some good big and small something plan.
Every robot follows strict safety and ethical rules.
Hello there, isn't it a lovely day today?
Indeed it is, madam. The current atmospheric conditions are optimal for human enjoyment.
My responses are becoming more natural every day.
Please follow this route for faster access.
The encryption algorithms ensure multi-layered protection.
Impressive. The system locks are engaging now.
The new helper is fitting in wonderfully, isn't it?
Yes, dear, it's quite remarkable.
I'm here to support your choice.
Das rent in C1 Nosetics Platio. Je make it the opposite goes of spite lengthy. Asidios a token friendships are by the.
आते हैं गड़गस्तर हैं इनका कुल को जनसा ओ आरेसा को इंटेट से काते हैं.
Robots, our new daily companion.
The robot revolution is here.
Robots in healthcare, a breakthrough. With great technology comes great responsibility for all of us.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah. I'm not sure.
And thirst slam samfer. And this is only the beginning of what technology can become.
Comment below your thoughts.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
For more amazing tech stories, subscribe to Factoryverse and turn on notifications.